welcome to Mumbai Matters. I'm Purva Chitnis, Assistant Editor with The Print. Mumbai is a work in progress as far as infrastructure is concerned, and now a new mode of transit is proposed in Mumbai. To boost tourism as well as improve the ridership at the JVLR RA metro station, the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation plans to build a ropeway at RA to Sanjay Gandhi National Park via Film City. Film City is located on the southern side of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park and see a lot of workers and tourists every day. However, to go to Film City, it's often a tedious task as it is poorly served by public transport and the neighborhood is mostly jammed with limited roads and a few last-mile connectivity options. This initiative aims to improve the last-mile connectivity for what is one of the busiest junctions and tourism hubs in Mumbai. However, MMRC has told us that this project is at a planning stage and neither the budget nor the timeline has been yet estimated. MMRC, which is the nodal agency to construct, operate and maintain the Mumbai Metro 3 or Aqua line, which is partially operational between RAJVLR and Worli, since its opening in October 2024, low ridership has often been a concern. Now the MMRC is planning to build this ropeway, which it expects to be a 2 to 3 kilometer ropeway and hopes that it will expand its commute base well beyond the RAJVLR metro station across the hills of RA. Finalization of the alignment is still underway. The proposed ropeway system will not only serve tourists but also the daily commuters who otherwise get stuck on the arterial Koregaon-Mulund Link Road. The ropeway is expected to be developed under a public-private partnership, that is the PPP model, and may follow a design, build, finance, operate, transfer framework, the MMRC has told us. MMRC has also said that this proposed ropeway will have a capacity of 2,000 to 3,000 passengers per hour per direction. One of the three technologies, that is either the mono cable, bi-cable or tri-cable detachable gondola, would be finalized only after an assessment. Now, since May 10, the Mumbai Metro 3 route that has been operational between RAJVLR and Acharya Atre Chowk in Worli, the average daily ridership on this corridor during weekdays has touched a 52,600 compared to an approximately 20,000 during its inauguration in October 2024. Yet these numbers continue to remain below expectations. The capacity of each train is approximately 2,500 passengers and the spike in commuter footfall on the route operated and maintained by the MMRC was highest on days when the city experienced heavy showers. So, if this ropeway project proceeds, it will be one of the few ropeways in India functioning as a full-fledged urban transit system connected to a metro system. The alignment, capacity, technology, and project implementation, as I said, are yet to be finalized. So we will be keeping an eye on this developing story. That's all we have for you in this episode of Mumbai Matters. For more such episodes, do tune in. This is me, Purva Chitnis, signing off.